So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to pay a bill on KOHO Financial. So once the app's opened up, go to the bottom right and press on the Explore page. Once you're on this page right here, there's a bunch of different options. You have Save, you have Earn, you have Build, you have Invest, you have Lifestyle, etc. But what we're actually looking for here at the bottom is where it says Payments. Then once you're on the payments and transfers page right here where it says pay bills, set up automatic payments, go ahead and select that. It'll then bring you to this screen right here where you have to go ahead and actually add a payee to your account. So if this is going to be in the form of like, I don't know, if you're paying an electric bill or if you're paying your rent or whatever and you have to add a payee, go ahead and select that. Once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and search up the payee's name. So what's an example? If I just wanted to do Rogers, I'll go ahead and select Rogers right here. There's a bunch of different options. How about Rogers Telecom? As an example, we'll go ahead and select that. You can then change the nickname and the account number. And once that is done, you can add the payee to your account. So once you're done here, if I were to go back here, it'll say pay a bill. You can go ahead and select a payee, transfer the money to them, press send, and then you can pay a bill off that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to pay a bill on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.